In this video, I want to introduce about the name of side in the right angle triangle. About the right angle triangle, you will have the triangle with 190 degree and like this one. You got this side will be 90 degree, or another form of the triangle triangle is like this one, and here is the symbol or the signal about the 90 degree angle. And the name of side, what does that mean? I want to introduce about the definition of opposite side. If you want to name the side here is opposite or another name, you will need an angle. You can choose the angle will be this one, or you can choose about this one. So at least you have one angle, and then you will name the side is opposite or hypotenuse or adjacent. And the definition I want to talk in this video is opposite. But before we learning about the opposite side, I want to introduce about the model. If I have a eyes like this one, and this eye will look at the world like this, look at the world like this one, and you will make the angle like here, and this eye will saw this world. And for simplify this model, I will have this one, the eyes and the model. And one more time for simple, I want to make it like this one. The eye will be here and the world will be here. So if I'm got the angle like this one, and the opposite side will appear in this position. So this side will be the opposite side of this angle. Okay, so that's why I have to tell you, you have to choose one angle in the right angle triangle, and then you can write down the name of the opposite side. Example, I have two examples. I've got this right angle triangle, and I will choose this angle. The name of here is A, B, and C. And the opposite side of BAC will be BC side. I mean, this side will be the opposite side of this angle. How about the other example? I have the right angle triangle ABC here, but for this case I will choose this angle. So for this angle, you will have the other opposite side, because this angle will present for eyes, and I want to using this eye will look at the mirror, look at the world in this one. So the opposite side of this angle of angle ACB, this is will be AB. Yeah, this will be AB. It's not BC anymore. So opposite side is mean you have to choose one angle first, and you can present that angle will be the eyes, and the eye would look at the world, and that world will be the opposite side of this one, of this angle. Okay, another example you can see here. If I'm got the right angle triangle for this one, so if I'm choose the angle will be here, so which one will be the opposite side? Yeah, I think that is not too difficult in this question anymore. The opposite side of this angle will be A and B. The side AB in here. Okay, another one, you will have the right angle, and you have to choose the angle in this one, M here, and P here. So what is the opposite side of this angle? The opposite side of this angle will be PM. Yeah, very easy. And next one, I have the right angle triangle here, OBH, and I will choose the angle will be OHP in here. And for the opposite side, I will got OP. OP is the opposite side for this angle. Okay, so that is the first name I want to introduce, opposite side. Yes, thank you so much for watching this, and see you next time. Bye bye.